This is gonna be a crazy video today. We're gonna change the spark plugs on the M4, so make sure you guys stay tuned and let's get to the next segment. So as you guys see, we switched the POV to this one, and we're just gonna start off by removing this right here. Let me try to get like a better right there. This one might be better. So I think we just gotta start removing with this right here. Oh my god, bro. I deadass almost rage quit right there. I couldn't get these screws out, but he came in clutch and got all of them out. Where do you want me to put them? Just right here? Actually right here. Put them right there. And I'm gonna try to I don't know what language did I just say right now. Did I speak? Okay. Opposite. Let me see, hold on. Let me see this one.
No, it goes over.
What do you mean over? Oh, like one of those right there. Oh, okay.
Oh, okay.
So we're removing the brace engine blocker, I think. That's the engine blocker, right?
It's like support.
Huh?
Support.
Oh, support. So after we remove that, we're probably gonna remove the downpipes. And not downpipes, I meant charge pipes. And so we'd be able to have more space going through each one of them and shit. We also do have the coils in the other box. And I think we're gonna be doing it like one by one. Bro, this car is gonna run.
Take off
Uh,
to get the charge pipe off?
no, I don't think so. Yeah, I think so. I don't think. That's actually crazy work. I'll just slide that down, right? Ugh, I'm not trying to lose anything. I need that carbon fiber. Alright, let me just move the charge pipes. Remember, wait, were you there whenever what's it called? The charge pipes got loose?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that was no goodie. Yeah, the car was in limp mode the whole time. But I don't think, you sure we removed the, oh, do we take off the clamps fully?
These?
Yeah, like this right here. Do we take them off fully or we just get them loose?
You gotta take the whole charge pipe off.
Yeah.
I think
Right
there.
there. And do we take anything from down here for the charge pipe?
I think you take the full charge pipe off, so you gotta take it out from the bottom. That's why you take one take off.
Oh,
I think.
That's the last thing I want to do is fuck up the sensor so my car be yelling mode. Right there. Right there. And this is good. Take this shit off, okay. This is loose. There, let me just loose the other one. Holy fuck. I really want to put my hand on here. This bitch is hot. Okay, so now that's good. There. Oh my god. And we gotta do this. Is this a sensor? No, I'll take it off. But we can't just put it right here, we have to take it off. I guess you could just put it right here, and then... Oh, we don't take off the whole intake? Hold on. Let me watch this video real quick. 90%.
Oh.
Let's get this taken care of. And then we'll start putting this baby back together.
Yeah, they did take off the intake. Right there. What is this? Oh yeah, there's some screwdrivers right here. Let me see.
I don't think we take this off.
What? Take what off?
I really
No, I don't think we do. We gotta take off this one right here.
It's just one thing.
So,
Not just one thing.
according to my calculations, I really feel like it's this one right here. No, this is small. Probably this one. I have a good feeling about this one right here. Yep, and I'm fucking smart. Yeah, actually, that's not the right one. See, I'm fucking good. Yep, and the camera turned off. That's fucking awesome. Like, bro, what are the odds? Trying to record something. And hold up, let me get spare cloth real quick for that. There, and I believe it's this right here. Is there another screw? Hang on. Oh. Why the fuck is there oil in there?
Huh?
Is there supposed to be oil?
Oil?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Okay, let's act like that never happened. Okay. Just like this real quick. Maybe it was a lubricant. Maybe Amro knows. Should I call that? Should I call him?
Maybe.
I'm gonna call Amro. Yo, what you doing? Yo, is there supposed to be a little bit of oil in the charge pipes? I'll put in the spark plugs on with Aiden. Yeah. Yeah, there's barely any. Okay, give me a second. Well, it's all good. Oh. Right then, just pull it out. Hold on, Emerald. Hold on, give me a second. Give me a second, Emerald. Right here. Look.
Oh, no, yeah, that's fine.
That's fine?
That's normal.
I bet. Sounds good.
Do not mix up the screws.
Yeah, I know.
One thing also, do not drop the charge pipe bolt, because that will fuck you.
This one?
Yes, do not drop those. Like when you're putting them back on, when you're screwing them back on.
Yeah, I'm not.
Those. And are the spark plugs gapped right?
Yeah, 0.220. I'm 0.002, whatever it is.
That should be fine for stage 1. If you're hopping on E, I think you have to go from 2.022 to 0.02. 1.18 or something.
Yeah, we gotta take this off right here. And I bet. Let me call you back.
But you have to take the rear brace out too.
What the fuck are you talking about?
Metal brace. Yeah, you have to take. Yeah, I don't know. You go back, pull back. No, nigga, like
Hold on, give me a second. I'm blocking all the entries.
Yeah, that's perfect.
What? Which ones?
Do you see the back brace? The
Yeah.
back brace? Yeah.
Oh, I thought you said brakes.
No, brace.
Oh.
That also has to come out. I don't I don't know if you have to take off the charge pipe too, or the charge cooler.
No, we don't.
Perfect. You watching videos?
Yeah, I'm recording, but this shit died, bro. This shit actually pissed me off, bro.
That's fine, bro. Fucking.
Yeah. Well, let me try to finish this up. What's it? What's it?
No, never mind. I was saying we're working on my iPad.
Bro, this is gonna feel so different.
Bro, dude, the fucking spark plug's gonna be nigger black.
Wait, so how would it feel? Like, do you think I can feel it?
It's gonna feel a lot smoother.
Okay. Okay.
You might even feel it faster too.
Oof. Okay. I bet.
Yeah, I'm gonna let you go. And I'm probably gonna be home in like 2 hours or so.
I bet. Sounds good. Sounds good.
Y'all have fun.
Habibi, bro. Love you.
Alright,
Later.
later.
Later, bye. Alright, so it looks like we got that, and I'll catch you guys once we take the rear brace out, bro. So I don't even know what's going on. We're literally trying to turn it, and that shit is literally not even like, that shit's stuck. I think we're getting somewhere at least. Quick. So look at this shit, bro. Look at the spark plugs, how bad they are. Look at that, them Johns are burnt. There's literally no life in them. Literally 0 life in them shits. It's been 90k miles. We got a couple spark plugs left. My only job is to put in this right here. And we got, introduce yourself real quick.
Aiden.
It's my boy Aiden. He's a hell of a mechanic, I'm telling y'all. He knows his shit. But yeah, we got a couple of them left, and I know this shit's gonna start up like nice. This is gonna start up crazy, but right now we're getting all the bugs on us because this light right here. Let me try to, because I don't want bugs in there. Yeah, we got only a couple left, and then I think we should be good to go. Right there. Right here. We got one more left? Or 2 more?
2 more after this.
2 more, hell yeah. But I'm gonna crash out if this shit, if we fucked up the gapping.
Well, they're pre-gapped,
Yeah.
so you're good.
So even if you bend the top, it wouldn't fuck?
Gaps right here.
Oh, so what if like we bend this shit down?
We didn't.
Okay. Even if you turn it hella hard?
That doesn't matter.
Well, I've heard they help out with cooling, is that right?
I don't know. I know there's like holder ones, like 2-step holder.
I think this is 2-step holder.
That's what I have, 2-step holder.
Is this?
Radium.
Let me check. NGK spark plugs. I don't know, honestly.
2-step holder, radium, I'm pretty sure we need those for stage 2.
This is laser iridium. And then probably, right?
Probably, I'm not sure exactly.
I'm gonna show y'all my profession in a little bit. Let's hope this is capturing. Is this in recording? Ah, we're good. We're good. We just got that down there. And then, oh, let me open up one of these boxes real quick. Right there. Let's pull that out real quick. Got that out?
Yep.
Right here. Let's put this shit in there. Let's see. See, this is my only profession, but the problem, I'm not the best at it. Because I don't know why this fucking wire right here is like fucking up. Maybe if I do like, yep, right here, I'm fucking smart. Let's see. Just supposed to go in. Let's see. And then just, you got this right here. You gotta plug it up. Make sure that's perfectly in. That looks in, right?
Yep.
Right
Not
there.
bad ones.
There. The rear ones are the worst, by the way. Right there. The rear ones. Oh, I got that one out. Never mind.
No, it's that real back one.
Okay, so it looks like, guys, this one looks like it's. I don't think I needed coils, low-key.
Don't matter. Like, you already got them.
Right there. Yeah, but I think for the last one we have to remove that. Oh yeah, that's gonna be impossible. Yeah, so I'll catch you when we get those 2 out, and we're screwing in the last one for surely. We did get this shit done. We got all of them here. Bro, look how black this is. Look how fucking crazy this is. All this shit's it's terrible. But yeah, we got everything in. And now I think we're just gonna put the rest of those in, and then we're good to go. We're gonna start it up. I'll get it on video too, whenever I start that joint up. So literally the second bolt fell down there for the third time. For the second time, actually. Let me show you. It's like all the I'm scared of this shit. Watch out.
Yeah, you need metal. You're good.
Alright, bro, it fell all the way down there, and that's just gonna be easy to bring up. You know what I mean? But oh my god, this shit actually looks so sexy. Not even joking. We started at 6. What time is it now?
Like 9-ish.
Oh, 9:30. Alright, so this is done. Almost done. Thanks to my boy. Bro, my hands are so fucked. They're all like ripped and everything. It's weird. Ah, was it? I thought we're gonna take hell like longer, but honestly, well, he did. Honestly, he did like 90% of the work. I mean, I did the injectors. I gotta give props out to myself. Oh my god, I did the injectors.
Coil pack.
Oh, the coil pack. The coil pack. I keep messing up. I did the coil pack. He did like 90% of the work.
Too.
Oh, where's that screw?
I don't know.
Hold on.
I don't think I took that. I don't know.
It's like it gotta. Why am I showing?
Tiny. If I took it off, I'd place it down there.
Down there? Okay, give me a second. Let me get that out real quick. So we got everything on. We got the charge pipes. We got every single thing. He got electrocuted. That shit was bad. He put ratchet. He put it right here, and it was like fucking crazy. It was parking and everything. Should I try to start it?
Yeah, start it real quick. Oh, it better start because I'm not taking it apart.
Yeah, it's like another. Alright, let's see. Oh, this feels good. Should I turn it off?
Huh?
Turn it off? Oh yeah. Low key. Wait, that shit turned off hella fast.
I know, it actually sounded like it turned on really quick.
That's actually fucking crazy. Alright guys, well thank you guys for the support. And I just want to say something is, bro, my back is killing me like crazy. No diddy, my back is killing me. Like, bro, my legs is done. Even though I didn't do anything, but you know, props to my boy, props to me. You know, I got the coils in. Well, he did like 90% of the work. I've done 10, but you know, it's still something. 10 is better than 0. But like I said, bro, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And it's your boy Dextro, and I'll catch you on the next one.